Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to calculate square of any number, cube of any number, or any number has a power of 4, 5. So you can easily calculate that the number of square. Okay, here you will see I have many numbers written. Okay, so to find out the square of any number, so what you have to do, there is a formula by which you can easily find out. So first you have to type equals to, then the number of which you want to find out the square, then this symbol you have in keyboard. Okay, then you have to type 2, so this is the square of this number. Okay, now if you want to find out the cube of that number, so what you have to do, just equals to that number, this symbol. Okay, you will have in your keyboard. Okay, then 3, so it will be, this will be the cube of that number. Okay, now if you want to find out power 4 of the 100 number, okay, so what you have to do, you have to just press equals to this number, then this symbol. Okay, then 4. Okay, so this will be the 100 power 4. So like this you can find out a square or cube of that number. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel.